Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch off and removing the strap so you can access the case seams quickly. Once done, set the device on an anti-static mat and put on an ESD wrist strap. This prevents static damage while you probe connectors. Next, remove the back screws with a precision driver and lift the back plate gently. Make sure to note screw locations. Then, inspect the battery and flex cables visually. Small debris or loose contacts are often the source of display noise. Now you diagnose the signaling path that drives the display. Start by unlocking the display connector latch, then gently reseat the flex cable. Clean both sides with a lint-free swab and 90% plus isopropyl alcohol. This removes oxidation that causes flicker or noise. Once reseated, visually scan solder joints for hairline cracks. If you see breaks and you are skilled, reflow them carefully with appropriate tools. Also check for nearby coils or loose metal that can introduce electromagnetic interference and cause display artifacts. Finish by reassembling the watch, securing the back plate and straps, then power it on to run a known display test pattern or built-in diagnostics. This reveals residual artifacts. If you still see noise, make sure firmware is up to date, then perform a soft reset. If needed, do a factory reset as a last software step. If electrical noise persists after these steps, the issue is likely board level. Take it to a service center. Key tip: if noise returns, check grounding and nearby chargers or magnets first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.